Okay, team arigato gozaimasu. Alright.
Good day, parents, teachers, and colleagues. We are Team A or Team Arigato Gozaimasu. What is solar energy, first of all? Solar energy is converting the power of the sun, using it for our works, like driving a car, powering your house. Like now we have solar inverters that take the light from the sun. We're here to present and teach you guys how to create a wood house powered by Solar Tech.
My name is Dr. Ayala and I am with Team Astro to explain how we can use solar power for our daily lives in a house. Before we proceed, I would like to tell you why we named our Team Astro. Astro means a star and the sun is a star, and the sun is a very relative part of what we're going to be explaining today. Now, solar panels use solar cells which uses the sunlight and convert it into electricity.
So we help them transform their ideations. They only like playing games now. Beyond just game players, they become game developers.
Anytime I hear about tech programs for children, I'm always eager to register my children. When I heard about this solar tech program, I registered my son, and so far he's doing well. He's learning so much and fast. He has been able to create some graphic works that are so beautiful. They are presently working on solar panels too. So this program has been such a blessing. My son is super excited. Every day after each class, he comes home. He's excited to show me the new things he's learning. He cannot wait to start building his own solar panel enabled fans. He's always excited. In short, most times I have to drag him to go to bed. And I'm really encouraged. I really would advise parents to key into this. This is the way the world is going, and especially if you have kids that are showing interest, it's just best to direct them right. I got to know them from another of my child that has been so excited about it, and I've not been disappointed at all. I'm really excited, and I'm too glad to introduce them to as many parents as I come across.
I would like to say thank you for Solar Bootcamp. It's been an amazing experience. It's put in a lot of effort. My children are really enjoyed it. Actually, it was impressive. Very clean environment. Security was there. It was actually amazing surprise, and it was a new journey for them, and it was really excited. And we would like to appreciate who organized this bootcamp. Our experience has been amazing. Thank you.